We're at the launch event of the Carbon Pricing Hub. The Carbon Pricing Hub is aiming to do is to create a space for everybody who wants to participate and be involved with the ETS.
One reason for concern that we see at Climate at least is that because of the surplus, there is less guarantee that these sectors will actually deliver the minus 62% reduction objective that they need to do.
So the industry really needs to kind of catch up, and we need all economic sectors to contribute to try and limit the global average temperature rise by 1.5, which is the Paris Agreement goal.
Perhaps we have to rethink the free allocation system. How can we accelerate the transition towards a much lower carbon economy, in particular in the hard-to-abate sectors?
We shouldn't fear the political consequences before we have discussed what is necessary for the climate.
The EU objective that's now written into law of at least 55% emission reductions by 2030, we're going to have that as a national objective as well.
I think ETS is crucial. Without the ETS, we will not make it. We need to quadruple our efforts. In the next 8 years, we need to reduce 4 times more emissions per year than we did between 1990 and 2020.
But we also know as trade unions that there are different pathways to reach emission reduction targets, and the one we prefer is the Just Transition pathway.
The goal of this is bringing new green technologies to the market in Europe, which today they exist and they work, and in principle they've been shown to work, but they cannot compete with existing industrial installations. And I think now the time is that we need to do the same thing for industry, particularly heavy industry.
Over 170 companies that together with OITA agree to promote carbon markets as the most cost-efficient and environmentally sound solution.